हेलो गाइस, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन को ताकि आप हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देख सकें।
Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Student, today's our topic is past simple tense. I would like to tell you that it has been quite detailed in the last 4 video lecture about the present tenses series. So those who have not yet seen those video, I'll give the link in the description for you. Just go there and you can check. Before proceeding, let me tell you that even before I uploaded a lot of useful videos which can be quite useful for you, so must check it once, and in same kind of videos we will continue to run. For that you need to stay connected with our channel and share and subscribe. So students, video is going to be quite much interested, so let's start the video. So before proceeding about the rules, I would like to tell you that past tense is used to describe event in the past, which means the action that has been happened in the past. Past indefinite in form using the verb plus second form of the verb, which is irregular past forms. So student, firstly we will talk about the affirmative sentences. In the affirmative cases, a sentence would be start from the subject, then after main verb plus second form of the verb and object and rest part of the sentence. So example, you can see here Jack bought. Also bought is here the second form of the main verb. The buy is the action and which is the second form is verb, which become bought. A new television. Jack bought, and to Jack bought a new television, which shows which describe the event in the past. And the same thing here you can see, she played badminton quite well. That means this is not about the present time. This is not about the present time. This is about the past event. Okay. Now moving to the negative, we can see here that our sentence would be start from the subject, and here we have to use did. As in the present series, present indefinite, we have written that we have to use do or does. Do for the plural and does for the singular. But here doesn't matter that subject is singular or plural. Here just you have to use did. Then after not and main verb first form plus object. So you can see here the example that she did not write a letter, Jack did not go to market, I did not follow him. But the main thing that all the event in the past. So student, there are two types of interrogative. The one where we can simply answer like yes or no, and the another one is where we have to explain our answer. So you can see here that I have given the two formula like did, subject, main verb first form and object, and another one is why plus did, subject, main verb first form and object. So look at the example that did she follow us. So here you can see that our sentence is start from did, which means from the helping verb, and where we, if somebody is asking us that did she follow us, so simply we can answer yes and no. So the first one is this, and another is why she did follow us. So there we need to explain, but the thing that there a sentence would be start from the question word like when, what, why and many words. Now moving forward to the last section of this video, that is uses of simple past tense. The first one is a series of completed action. A series of completed action which happened in the past. Student, we can use the simple past tense to list off a series completed action in the past. Like example, we can say means in a single sentence we use a sentence like this: we reached to the hotels and met others. So here you can see reached and met, which is the second form of the verb in a statement sentence. The second one is completed action in the past. Completed action in the past, which is we used to simple past tense to express that an action started in the past, which last year I met Kohli. So here is also the event about the past tense. And the last one is uses of simple past, which is the habit of past. That means we were used to about something. किसी चीज के लिए हम लोग किसी चीज के हैबिट में थे, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. ठीक है. So here I played for my school cricket team when I was in class 10th. So here you can see that these tense also describe about a habit which stopped in the past, and it can be if we are using used to, which make it clear that we are talking about a habit when I was a child, or when I was in young age, right? So we also used to apply like used to, I used to do this. So such kinds of sentence that also introduce about the past events. So this is about the habit in the past. I played for my school cricket team when I was in class 10th. So I hope student you understand about this chapter, about this lesson, and we will also continue to run the rest part of this these tenses as well. If you have any doubt, so you can comment below. And thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with our channel. If you like this video, so subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.